Hi everybody, welcome to Creating with Love Cooking. I don't think I'm even in frame. I'm not sure because I am taller, significantly taller than my mom. But welcome. She's going to be making, what again? What is it called?
Cornbread, and it's from this I had to bind it myself because it's falling apart, but this 1877 cookbook I found in Goodwill, and I bought it just because it was neat. I was doing junk journaling back then, but I bought this and I found a cornbread recipe in here that I could not understand because of the way they write things back then. So what I did was I found the same recipe with the same ingredients on the internet that was all written out for the measurements.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
1877?
1877. And I had to rebind the book.
How do you even find that? That's crazy.
It was on the shelf.
That's crazy.
So I am doing old time recipes, but I have to find them on the internet. So I am using this. I found this one in the Goodwill, this nice little booklet here, which I didn't have a use for. Now I do. This is just for my cooking channel. And I already wrote the classic cornbread down, the recipe. And it says all-purpose flour, but I'm also going to use mesa, which is it's corn flour. And then I got some cornmeal here. Yeah, the stove, you have to heat up to 400 degrees, and it's heated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out. So 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is a corn flour. So I'm going to do 1 cup of that. Then it says 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. So there's a cup of that. 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Let's see, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1.5. So we have 1 egg. Yay. 1 cup of milk. There we go. I'm going to put some oil in there, and it says 1/3 of a cup. So I'm going to mix this. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients first. Okay, dry ingredients are going to get mixed up. Thank you for the new subscribers, the 4 new subscribers we just got last week. And I hope we continue to grow. So I'm mixing the milk and the eggs. And now it says grease an 8x8 pan, which I have over on the stove.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you. And now I'm going to combine these together. The wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Okay.
Ooh, someone's awake.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we got new lav mics as well.
Yes, do they sound okay to you guys? We got to put this is all greased. I greased it with butter. And now I'm going to pour the butter into a prepared pan. Prepared. That looks yummy. That is going to be a yummy one. Including the corn flour is gluten-free. I am a medically gluten-free person. It's not a fad. I get really sick. Now we're just going to push everything in the corners, and then we're going to put it in the oven very soon. So let's put our cornbread in the oven.
Yay.
And put it on. 25 minutes. And we'll be back. So we are taking it out now. We've got 35 seconds left, which probably doesn't matter because it's done. So let's put our...
No.
And that's what it looks like. But I have to put it down because it's wicked hot. I'll close the door because I got kitties that love to explore. This is the one that made everyone panic because she was trying to smell the oven when it was open. I said, no. So we're going to have a taste test and we'll be back. Hello, everybody. We are back ooh, to taste this wonderful looking bread. And I have my cutter here. So now we have our bread.
That's hot.
Look at the steam. Can you see that? Ooh, it's yummy. What was that? Ooh, that looks so good.
That's a little hot.
The reason he does it is I can't reach it. Go ahead, try it. It might be a little dense. It is spongy, squishy.
That's pretty good.
Mmm. It would be even better with butter on it, but I'm not going to put butter on it.
I want butter now.
It has a corn taste. I forgot to put the salt in it, so you can't taste the salt in it. But
It tastes good either way.
I really do like it made with the corn flour. Really good. And safe for people like me to eat.
I'll give this recipe a good 7 out of 10.
You gave it a what? 7?
Yeah.
How dare you?
Well, it's not perfect. It's pretty good.
Never will be. So here I have something to read to you. Love is patient, love is kind, love is not jealous or boastful. It is not arrogant or rude. Love does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrong. It rejoices in the right. Love bears all things, endures all things. 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Now, I want to say thank you for coming in, thank you for subbing, and thank you for liking, and thank you for all the sweet comments. It makes our life a little better. And so, I want to tell you, God bless each and every one of you, and keep cooking while you're creating, or creating while you're cooking. Either one.
When I'm in my happy space, kitchen's my happy place. Starting up a smile on my face. Every day's a brand new taste. Kitchen's my happy place. Kitchen's where I find my